Hi, my name is India. One of the most common questions I get asked from my clients is how do I tong my own hair? So I thought, why don't I give you a little tutorial on my own hair. So here we go. So starting with wet hair, I'm going to apply the Charlie Blow Dry Cream. It's my go-to hero product when I want to keep my hair smooth, I want to protect it from the heat, I want to protect it from humidity, from being outside, and it really makes my blow dry and my tonging last. So I'm going to now dry my hair. My hair naturally is really curly and frizzy, so I kind of want to dry it smooth, but I don't use straighteners as well, so as smooth as possible with a hairdryer. So I'm about to start tonging my hair. I've sectioned it away because I'm going to start underneath. Because I've used the blow dry cream, I really don't need any other products until the end, which I'll then explain. I'm going to use the Hot Tools wand. It's a fantastic wand in terms of its shape, which allows me really easily to work through with the mirror and using my hands, and it's really comfortable. I'm using the smaller size because my hair is short. It gives me enough of a barrel to work the curl rather than a larger size. So most of the hair is done now, but really what I want to show you now is key points of tonging your own hair. So my hair is dry. I'm going to take a section, not too small, not too big, probably about an inch square, and I hold the tool and I wrap it around. The more you wrap your hair around, the curlier it will be. And I try and hold as close to the ends as possible. I tend to count to 8. And then let the section go and just drop it without touching it. Then I hold my next section. Now, a lot of people that want curls, a lot of clients talk about wanting the ends to be more beachy, more wavy. So if you want the look of not having too much of a curl, just wrap it around once, but leave the end out. And you see a lot of bobs being tonged at the moment with a sort of straight, shattered edge. And so I don't wrap it around totally, and the effect is more with a straight edge, which gives it sort of a more edgy look. So again, I've got my section and I'm wrapping it around. I just drop it off the root a bit. I don't go too close to the scalp, but I try and wrap it as much as possible with my fingertips just holding the ends near the tong. Again, I count to about 8. And let go. So as I'm coming to my top front section, the last section really, what I like is just to run it right back. So I'm rolling it back as if you're rolling a roller, and it just helps keeping it off your face. You can just leave your curl here. Some people really love it like that, so you've got that really nice separation. It's not all too overdone. And the other thing you can do is just adding a drop of our gloss oil and just running it through your hands. So it starts looking quite glam, but still got a really nice amount of curl in it. So if you want to change this again, the other option is to brush it through, which gives you quite a really nice glamorous evening option. And gives you loads of body. So this is how I like mine, my curl to look. And I know it's going to last me for 3 days, even though I'm not going to use any hairspray, but the smoothing cream is just perfect and it's doing its job. A little bit of oil right at the end, and that's all you need.